Hey guys! Today we're making a really soft, moist cake. Super simple recipe, and it always works. Start with 2 eggs and sugar. Just beat them until light and fluffy. Now for the buttermilk. Add lemon juice to the milk, stir, and let it sit for a couple of minutes. Then mix it into the eggs. Next, add flour and baking powder. Mix on low just until everything comes together. Add vanilla and oil and mix until smooth. For the filling, I'm using cranberries soaked in hot water. Quick tip, if you skip this, they can dry out the batter and sink to the bottom. Fold them in. Pour the batter into a lined pan and smooth it out. I really like that slight tang here, but nuts or raisins work just as well. I'm using a ceramic pan lined with parchment so it's easier to take out. A silicone pan works too. Pour the batter in and smooth it out. The Streusel. This is what gives that nice crunchy top. Mix soft butter, sugar, and flour. Start with a fork, then rub it into crumbs with your hands. Just don't overwork it. You don't want the butter to melt. Sprinkle it on top and put it in the oven. As it bakes, it'll almost double in size. Bake until golden and check with a toothpick. It should come out clean. Let it cool slightly, then dust with powdered sugar. And that's it. Soft, moist, slightly tangy, with a crunchy top. Help me reach my first 1,000 subscribers. Like, comment, and subscribe if you love easy baking. Try it out and let me know how it turned out. Bake it, enjoy it. See you next time.